How to get rid of whiteheads on the face and nose. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural healer for cuts, scrapes, and even minor burns. It can also help remove scarring as well as reduce acne symptoms like blackheads or whiteheads. Aloe vera contains antioxidant vitamins like A, C, and E as well as vitamin B12 and folic acid. All these work together to bind the moisture in the skin and make it more elastic and less wrinkly. The cohesive effects of aloe soften skin, while the amino acids in it soften dry and harden skin and tighten pores. Aloe also has high moisturizing as well as anti-acne effects. Need we say anything more about why aloe vera is an effective remedy to get rid of whiteheads naturally? Direction: take some aloe vera gel and mix it with honey. Apply it on the face or affected area, leave it on for about 20 minutes. Then wash off with water. Aloe vera's healing properties, coupled with the antioxidants from honey, will leave you with smooth and clear skin. Do this regularly for about 1 week. Baking soda. Baking soda is a readily available and exceptionally good ingredient to get rid of whiteheads. If you are wondering how a household cleaner can help remove whiteheads on your face, then well, the process is exactly the same. Baking soda can remove or clean just about anything, even the oil and dirt that is clogging your skin pores. What's more, baking soda also possesses antibacterial properties, ensuring that any acne and inflammation on the skin will be duly taken care of. Direction: mix water with baking soda to form a thick paste. Massage the paste into your skin in circular movements, leave it on for about 5 minutes. Wash off. Do this 3 times a week. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more natural remedies video. Please don't forget subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching this video.